menu we have the sketch chamfer. So it is almost the same idea, but it's creating a chamfer. So let's make two rectangles, divide the chamfer. So in the chamfer you have two types, either to select the distance, two equal distance, and here you have to check it, or the angle distance. Let's first use the equal distance. Select this edge. It's not working in the case of the chamfer. So let's just select the corners and apply the chamfers, and here you see the chamfer equal distances. And when you are done, click OK. And you notice these red icons, that means they are driven or associated with other dimensions. In this case they are equal. Let's again chamfer, select, uncheck the equal distance, and here let's make two different distances. Shows this, and let's reverse. Let's click OK then. Chamfer, make it 10 or 5 by 10. So you have two different distances. Again, let's create the last rectangle and select chamfer. In this case, let's choose the angle. We can make 30-degree angle, 2 millimeter. Okay, this time 60 by 5 millimeter. Okay, so here you see distance is 5 and 60 millimeter, and here too. So here are the different cases of the chamfer.